So in this video, we'll be communicating the XP340 with the IxDeveloper HMI designer from the X2 series using the OPC UA communication protocol. So the first thing you're gonna do is here on the MasterTool project, let's right click on the application, add a new object, and this object will be our symbol configuration. Since we're communicating with the physical PLC, not the simulator anymore, we will need the support for OPC UA features as we're using the OPC UA communication protocol. So let's mark this box and click on add. Again, we need to build our whole project, so click on build. For this example, we'll be communicating the digital input or I00, so let's expand our integrated I/O DVL, mark your I00. Okay, download this program to the PLC, click on login, the online menu login. Yes, I want to log in into my physical PLC. Let's make an login with download, so it will download this program to our PLC. I don't want to download the source code, so I'm clicking no here. And I'm starting my PLC. So now the last thing I have to do is go to the online menu and go to the OPC configuration. Again, you need to open your MasterTool with administrator rights in order to open this menu. Here, we are changing the IP address active. It was our local host IP. Now it will be the IP from our PLC. In my case, it's 192.168.16.2. And we need to change the port to the one with the final 40. So with this port and with the PLC IP, click OK. This was the configuration for the PLC. In the next video, you'll see how we can make the settings on the IxDeveloper software.